Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hey Rishi.
Yeah, hello. Hi.
Hey, hi. How are
Hi
you?
guys, how are you?
This is
Yeah,
fun. I think this is the first time we three are doing a stream
Yeah, I did with Rishi before that.
yeah.
together.
It was quite long time.
Nice setup, Taufik. I saw your story the other day.
How's it looking, bro?
Nice.
Thank you.
So you guys had I had a trade in the morning. I'll just share.
Hope you all are in shorts.
No, I haven't.
I still in buy. I just took a buy and like waiting for like to.
Now, bye.
I've just buy a few minutes back and just waiting to trail my stop loss to break even.
Sorry about
And
so
my
much.
entry was 4113.
So to talk about what I like, so the blue lines are basically liquidity zones I had marked, and
Hmm.
these are basically support and resistance or order blocks. Okay, so what I
Okay.
usually do is I usually
Down.
trade. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So I was waiting for. Okay, if you guys can see. 1 second, I think. Okay, I was waiting for a sweep of previous to New York high. Okay, I waited. As soon as it touched there, I took a sell. It didn't go and draw down at all. Okay, as soon as I took it, went like directly TP 1:2. I'm done for the day. But if I had hold it, I would have made serious money. Look at this; it's still falling. But sometimes 1:2 is fine. It's okay. I miss out big home runs, but this was the previous stream. Okay, so where I think Monday, no, it was on Wednesday. So it hit my TP. Actually, what has happened? It almost went near hit my TP. It dropped. My TP was 39. That's not this much. This was my TP. It went to TP on live. It missed it, and it went to break even. Then it went hit TP, and it went crazy like the whole evening. I mean, evening it was going up.
Guys, I think our cam is not showing on the stream. Yeah, now it's fine. Hmm.
Everyone's
Yeah, it's looking nice.
okay.
So,
So this is
what's your plan,
what
guys?
happened. And today I took a sell in Tokyo. That's about it. That's two trades I just took. I'm just not trading.
Is it a setup, Taufik? New
Sorry,
setup?
yeah, it is new. It is my new setup. How it looking? Look at this. Today gold
Taufik,
is like that.
what are you doing? Taufik made so much money, so he built his own setup.
And to be very honest, I spend like, matlab, how I can say, bro? I spend a lot of money in this.
Yeah,
Like,
it's a good. I think it's a good investment. Like even I have been planning to like set up some things.
yeah, even I saw you change your setup. Like you are
I
sitting in
actually,
different.
I actually changed the like I took one more place where I could work. So, like,
Okay.
yeah. Wish you have any trades
Yesterday,
today?
yeah,
Sorry?
actually, yesterday I shorted gold on 4230, and I exit it after 200 pips, and after that I'm in regret. I'm just watching market going down, down, down. I'm thinking, like I'm so pissed off after seeing this much move. And so
So gold
today I
is
took only, yeah.
yeah. Sorry, I was talking to myself. Let me mute.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Like for me, next week I'm just going to start trading. Tomorrow is my launch, and yeah,
So what's the plan,
Taufik, are you,
guys?
Taufik, are you on buy?
Sorry.
Are you on buys already?
Actually, I was into bias, but that one last 1 minute candle
There is a
stopped me out. Yeah, that stopped me out to the break even. And I'm debating still like should I have to go along in this? Like, can I share my screen?
yeah. I'm just waiting. If it hits here and shows some rejections, I can think about long. But market is super bearish right now. But
Yeah, that's the concern. That's the main concern. Like
but
I can.
I would take a buy here and keep my SL just below. Just like
Yeah, yeah,
I might risk
exactly.
1%, but still I might like look at in the so much bearish pressure. I don't want to get into a trade. Wait, I'll just you can share your screen.
Yeah, it's better we can wait for some retracement, then we can go for shorting.
Actually, we both are counter trend trader. Rishi and me. Oh, sorry, Anand and me. So that's why we are planning for bias, and let's see how this will go.
Just give me a
Now,
minute.
by
Like,
like it's super bearish, right? Like how you're planning buy trades now?
I'll tell you a few things. Like, give me a minute to share my screen.
Sure.
Is it visible now? Okay. Actually, I took a short as well in my futures account. Like futures accounts sometimes are fun. You just take one contract here and exit here. So I'll tell you why I'm looking for the buyers on gold on the current market prices. I'll remove everything. Mm. This wholesome move, where this is something which I consider as a recent demand, this level, and exactly we are standing on that level. If any 5 minute candles like make the high like this, I'm waiting for the closure above this high. Once we close above this high, then I look for a plan because we are standing on a recent demand which came coming from this level, and I'm considering this as a last support, and this is will also consider as a recent demand if you see this level. So if anything I'm seeing on the smaller time frame on like 1 minute time frame or 5 minute quick market structure shift, then I'll go for long. And I'm still waiting. I don't want to enter in this region. I'll enter once I see price doing something like this. Then wait, give spend some time here, and then we'll plan for this high. And one more thing, I notice it like if there is candle which has no wick, there is a highly chance to go and sweep that highs and then came back to the origin where it started. So this is the reason I'm looking for bias. Still, I have to wait for the this thing I tell you, a closure above this high, and then we will plan for the shorts. As Rishi said, that market is aggressive, so that's why I'm not going too much aggressive. If I go to bias on this level, I'll take only 1.1% risk, and usually I have to take care of spread as well, because I can face some slippage as well if I place my stop loss on this level 4107. So that was my reason, and now you guys can share yours if you have anything. And this is something which is like not good for us for the buyers. So yeah, waiting. And actually, this is invalidating the which I tell you about the fresh demands on this level. If this break this lows, that yellow line, then we will be not interested in this for the longs. That's all some from my side. What's the plan, Rishi? You can
So
share yours for the sales.
Rishi is not a
Yeah.
counter trend trader. Rishi will look else now. Like
Like
my it's coming to a very good support zone. I feel
yeah,
liquidity is still there.
I'll show you my view. Now just give me.
So topic you can stop sharing.
Okay, so sorry. So
Yeah, can you able to
I
see my
stopped
screen?
my. Not now.
I shared the
Yeah,
screen.
like it's visible now.
Got it. So my view in gold is actually so far it's bearish, but in long term, like I'll be looking for buys once there is a confirmation on the top, like reversal side. So like yeah, you can able to clearly see that the market is in uptrend right now, and currently the market is trying to break these lows. So at least I'll expect the markets to break these lows, or at least the market will come down and will take support from these imbalances, or the market may either take support from these levels or these levels, or I'll also align uh, like equal highs with the fair value gap. So I'm having equal highs, and also I'm having a 4 hour fair value gap. So if the market is super bearish, like I'll expect these levels to fill, and once the market fill these levels, I'll expect for a reversal. So this is my current view, but as of now, I'm currently very bearish. It's super bullish, so super bearish right now. But again, the market is nearer to a key level. We are having a relative equal lows, so the market may breach these levels, and we may expect a consolidation, or we might expect a reversal from these levels. Then I can go for buy trade. But as of now, like there is no uptrend view. Currently, it's very bearish.
It's the same view for me. Like I'm hoping I see some rejection in there. Then if the liquidity happens and it supports, then I look for
Yeah,
buys.
exactly. Even if
Otherwise,
the
I'm
market shows a reversal, for example, if the market breaks these lows and if it shoots up on the higher side and if it gives you the structure shift, it's better not to enter immediately, because sometimes what will happen is like it will see these highs and then again it will fall. So it's better we can wait for secondary retracements to happen. Like for example, the market will take a small pullback, it will go to the IRL level, and again the market will break an ERL. We may expect okay, the market again it is giving you a very good sign for the bullish, then we can go for buy trade if the market retraces or if it consolidates for a while, and then if it expands, then I'll look for super bullish to target these levels. These liquidity levels will be my target.
So even to be honest, even like there is one more thing I do.
Yeah,
Currently, market volume is very good now. Okay,
yeah,
so I would stay away right now. So what I do is like in our Indian time, probably around 11:30, the market will come again down. If it goes up again, it has to come down to take out some order blocks. Then the volume will be very clean. So that time I go buy again.
yeah,
So it will be like a clear volume. No, there will be no pullback or anything. Sudden 100 pips move won't be there. And until Tokyo, I'll hold. It will be like a clean trade. So sometimes I do that as well.
yeah. Even if you want to plan short trade, it's better we can wait for some retracements to happen. Then, if we see any reversal, we can go for short trade. But as of now, like shorting at the lows is quite risky. I won't suggest, because the risk management won't like the RR won't be that good. So it's better we can wait for some retracements to happen. Then we can plan a short trade, or
Okay.
we need a very good reversal. So this is my plan right
Okay.
now.
There are no economic events, right? Today, just the Friday volume today.
No, I haven't checked.
Weekly closing volume.
And Friday is usually trending day. I noticed it from last 4 5 weeks.
Like, have you guys noticed mostly Friday? If you look at the amount of time markets, Fridays are mostly bearish for gold. Like mostly.
Yeah,
I'm not
nice,
talking about
nice city
always.
have not called the TGIF. Thank God it's Friday.
Guys, look at the 1 minute candle.
Oh, it just dropped that level.
Thank
Didn't
God
even.
we have not placed our lungs.
No, I told I will not place the long until I see some rejection. It's like that
Yeah.
level didn't even respect. I think it just pulled liquidity. Yeah, it just
And if you guys see
made.
the weekly candle, I'm like assuming that weekly lows has to be swept today, like today or upcoming Monday. Can you open Rishi weekly lows or weekly candle of the gold? And if you open it on the CFD chart, you will see there is a no wick candle on weekly. So it has a highly probability or highly chance to sweep the low and then will do whatever it want to do. Can you zoom it out
Yeah,
a little bit? So
yeah,
it's
we are having a
that's my
volume.
level.
Yeah, so we are having a volume balance in these levels, but I'll wait for a candle to close. If I want to be a bullish, then I'll wait for a candle to close. Even daily candle is breaking a low. Yeah, it is actually a key level.
Oh, wow, gold is
And I
like
don't know
that 20.
why it's looking like a reversal on the one daily time frame to me. Because it's rejecting from the like golden zone of so you can see Fibonacci levels from top to bottom. You see like it is rejecting from the golden zone, and the candles is not looking good on a daily time frame. If you like use it, that's a level for me that you mark the Rishi. That's the level where
Yeah,
I'll see
if
how it will react from that level.
I think it's going for 72 now. Wow.
And look at the Bitcoin, guys. Again, just making lowest low, back to back. I hope people will be fine after seeing this crash coming like crazy. If you see the 4 hour time frame, no bullish candles.
Wow. BT's at 94. Astros will be crying now.
Yeah.
Like last stream we did, he bought 0.1 Bitcoin.
Okay, Ajo, you're talking about Astos?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I saw his story. And
So his plan.
even yesterday, I saw many people, like many of my friends, buying BTC aggressively, and now
Oh.
it's about to 4.8% down today. So, Wes, can you open your charts?
Which one? Rishi,
Rishi
yeah, you
sharing.
know,
sorry.
Yeah. Uh, my goodness. Guys, let's pick some questions as we have to wait for the price to tap on our levels. Where is the chat? I'm not able to see on the.
it's there. It's there. Down panel. Click on chat. Then it will come.
Down
Okay, okay,
right
so I
side.
saw. Thank
Even
you.
even I was searching.
And
I
trade,
think they upgraded the UI a bit,
and
right?
it's
Yeah.
looking nice. It's looking like much clear.
Awesome, guys. So we have a very different like type of traders today, and if you guys have any questions, please shoot out. We'll more than happy to answer you. Now, are we looking at any other assets?
Sorry.
And it is also right now. It is also near a key level.
Do you guys set alerts on key levels?
Nope.
No, nope.
Always on charts.
Yeah, yeah. I wait for the chart. If the price is near to my level, then I wait for the chart and I just watch the chart in front by sitting.
So what I do is I look at this phone widget, so the percentage and changes. So with that, I will be able to identify whether it has reached my level or not. Like I got used to gold so much, so whenever it moves, I got to know the percentage change. Do you guys have any recommendations for widgets when it comes for iPhone, where we can see the price on the lock screen?
Tell me if you have, if you know.
So far, I haven't found anything, but just checking.
I don't know. I'm getting the vibe, guys, to save the weekly lows today itself. I don't know why.
Hmm. Where is the weekly low exactly?
It is still 60 $70 away.
$70.
Mm, Bro, Anand, the gold can do anything.
Ah, today only it dropped how much dollars? Like
84,
$20.
84, 84. On the CFD chart,
$84.
84. On the future, it is 104.
Like now I wish like I could have holded my trade.
Bro, yesterday I sold it on the 4230. And I am just. How I can save, bro? I'm so pissed off. Mm.
Like, there is nothing. It didn't respect that level. That's what worrying me. 1 or 2 minute. So we have a lot of
4005, the weekly low, guys. Can you check on the charts? 400.
400.
Bro,
Week.
it is going to sweep for sure.
In
I think
weekly, my
the
chart looks
entries in this
bad.
level is very risky. That's what I can wait.
Now buying is so risky. I agree with Rishi. Because we have,
Yeah,
guys, if
now.
you see the 15-minute time frame, we have a clean side of the to the towards 4008. That's why I'm saying we can sweep the weekly lows. If you look at the 4 hour or 30 minute, you will see a clean range.
Hmm. Wow. Gold, gold, gold.
Do you trust your strategy for long term? Like, don't you doubt it for future? What if it stop working? Like, I'm afraid of it. I don't know, bro. I'm following a strategy from last 2 years almost, and I lost only when I start doing my own things. When I start using my mind, I start doing different thing other than my setup. So I don't think so. It will stop working. The market is same. Sometimes the price action, the volatility is increase or decrease, depend on the market cycle. But there is nothing like your strategy will work. Like your strategy will not stop working. Another, how many times, like, since when you are following your strategy, can you tell about this?
So see again, first, no strategy is 100%. First, you guys have to understand that. Okay, you have to combine with your risk to reward and to be profitable. So when you take losses, take less losses. When you take your profits, take more profits. As simple as that. So and try to minimize your risk as like no. Once you're in live or funded, I would recommend to minimize your risk as low as possible. Even when you are going for a good 1:5 RR, minimize your risk. Keep it break even or 1:1 so that you are not at a very good pace right now. So coming back to your strategies, yes, you should know when to take your entries. So right now we were hoping if that level had respected, we would have seen little buy, but it didn't even respect. So we are not looking either or buy nor sell. Now we will wait for it to reach to a different support level, and we should see some rejection candles or volume shifting from sellers to buyers. Then we look for a buy. So that's my current view right now. So that's the whole strategy. Even if we had taken an entry, we would have risked only 1%, not more than that. So you can, even if your strategy fails, your risk management will save you. So it's the whole ratio we have to do. But I'm definitely going for buys in the like later. But today, since weekend, I might not take entry again because
Gold is
2 days
good.
market is gonna close and there will be a definite gap up when market opens. So
Gold is always
that's
look like it's good for buys, but the
yeah.
thing is like we have to wait for a right zone. Every
Yes.
pullback, every downfall is a buy moment.
Hmm. I should clean up my chart. It looks very bad. Also, which chart do you guys use? I use Honda.
I use forex.com. Yeah, high suggestion.
Suggestion. Oh, forgot me questions. There is no good question. Which kill zone best trading? So, which kill zone is best trading? All kill zones are good. It's just that New York zones will be more aggressive. Like candles will be like moving very fast. I really like Tokyo zones a lot. Like just my personal favorite. It's very, you know, you know, like the reversals are very clean. You get a good movement slowly, rather than gold. Like during New York, gold will be like 100 up, 100 down, 100 up, 100 down, like that. So right now it's just going down.
That's so
Okay, another key level, but looks like it won't respect. It's just gonna drop.
yeah, like I
It
think
dropped. Right?
daily if we
It just dropped.
yeah,
It didn't even think. It just didn't even stop. It just dropped.
I saw
Wow.
100 pip in 1 minute. The last
Yeah,
candle.
that's what. The drop was like crazy. I would recommend anyone who's trading to stay away if they have not taken a sell on top.
Hmm.
What are other pairs doing? Euro USD. Ah, Euro is still
USD.
bullish.
How euro is so bullish?
I'm also wondering how bullish.
Oh my
Hmm.
god, there is something wrong with
USD,
gold.
USD is just going good.
Can you see
Oh, going up.
GBP? GBP USD GU?
It will be the same. It will be up. Oh, never know. Let me check.
Hmm.
She's like fully kept his charts on futures.
I don't know.
I saw Rishi recently. Rishi passed six funding ticks account of 50K. Congratulations,
Max
bro.
allocation.
Max allocated.
I'm like I haven't reached funding ticks. I usually fail on the third day. I don't know why.
Same here. I'm trying from almost last month, and first day is very easy for me. Second day is good. Good. Third day I'm about like just blow it, man. The same with
Last time
me.
I missed my TP by 50 pips, and like I hit my SL.
Rishi, for your sorry, Anand, for your kind information. Monday is my again third day for Tix account. Pray for me.
I'll pray for you. Tokyo today's spread is too much. So when the Tokyo opens, especially during Sydney, so the spread will be little high because of no too much market volume. So you just have to wait for it to like settle down. You can identify it in the whichever platform you're using.
Yeah, for me, this week there's no trading for me. Like it's been 2 days, right, since I've slept properly. No sleep.
What you are doing, bro?
Tomorrow is my launch program launch.
Like a mentorship or something else?
Mentorship, like revamped version.
Let's promote it, guys. We have a platform.
No, it's trading. No,
You
No,
need to be promoted, bro. You
no, no,
deserved.
not
no,
You
no, not
deserved,
here.
my brother.
Not here. Like I won't promote here and all.
That's how a real trader look like, guys. Can you see?
Rishi, can you?
He don't
I think
want
this
to
question is
promote. He don't want to promote his mentorship. What else you want from a trader?
Rishi. How often you differentiate between liquidity sweep and breakup structures?
Liquidity sweep is kind of a fake breakout. Breakout structure is like if the market is about bullish, it will keep on breaking the structure. It will make high rise and high rise, or low lows and low lows.
No, so basically it has the same characteristics in that time frame. For example, there are five candles. Okay, five candle is forming,
See,
so it
both
will
are
be identical.
actually different concepts. Like liquidity sweep is like, for example, if I'm expecting liquidity sweep, like I'll expect the market to take these highs and then I'll expect a reversal. It will take
Yes,
this size and it will reverse. But breakup structure is I don't know SMC properly, but as per my conviction, like the market will make high rise. So if the market breaks this high, it is a breakup structure.
yes, that's correct. So here you go, your answer. So if it comes back and goes below the previous candle, then we should can short. That's basically a liquidity sweep. But I would personally look for you to look sweeps around 15 minutes or like
Yeah, like we can
30 minutes.
use time frame element. I'll also I don't know whether it's in my desktop. Just wait. Mm, wait, I'll show you. I'll show you time frame element. Just give me a minute.
65 it reached gold.
Hmm. 50. Yeah, 63.
Wow, wow. It didn't respect another key level. It's just going fast. Can we see 4,000 today?
Yeah, I'm saying from the beginning of the stream.
New York still didn't open.
Yeah, that's the main concern as well is.
Wow, wow, wow.
Although there is no news today. My face one is cleared. Vamsi Krishna. Congratulations, my brother.
So yeah, so if someone wants to do a top-down analysis, you can use these time frames to refer. So, for example, if you want to take trade in 1 minute time frame, you can find the structure like the liquidity sweep and structure shift in 50 minutes time frame. And 50 minutes time frame, if you want to go for the structure, you need to find the bias in 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours, 50 minutes, and 1 minute. So this is how you should use time frame element. You can combine any time frame. For example, if you want to go for trade in 5 minutes time frame, you can find the structure in 1 hour time frame. And for 1 hour time frame, if you want to go for the bias, so 1 hour is daily. So daily bias 1 hour structure, 5 minutes entry. If you want to go in 1 minute time frame, so find the buyers in, yeah, 4 hours, and then go for the structure in 50 minutes and trade in 1 minute. So this is the best time frame element, and you can create your own too. So always go in trade with respect to higher time frame bias, then you'll get the more a very good probability in your entry model.
Percentages. Wow, 2.3% down in a day.
Actually, I witnessed 2,500 pips with Armas, Zampo Capital, and I think we're going to break that record.
I'm
4,000
worried.
is near for sure. 4,000 is, I can bet, guys, but I'm not going to short because I don't have balls to take this much risk. But 4,000 we can go, but the probability is higher now.
Gold is very, very bearish.
But in a way, I'm feeling happy gold is falling.
Life full of colors. Like I don't want to promote my mentorship here. It's purely for funding pips. So sorry.
So my
Yes,
saying, I'm hoping for a pullback for new 30-minute for scalping. I don't think so.
so, Taufik,
That's no.
assume we are looking for a buys, not right now, in like next 5 6 hours. Okay, where would you look for it?
Wait, I'll tell you. I'll look for buyers once we sweep the weekly lows, like exactly that psychological level 4,000. And before that, I'm not interested because my level was, I told you in the beginning of the stream, that was 4108, which was also a psychological level. But the weekly lows will be my point where I'll be interested to go for longs. That's it, bro. And I
Okay,
don't
so I'm
care.
I'm
I
also,
don't care at the time which candle is forming. Once it give me the entry model, once I see my entry model is playing out, I'll definitely go for the buyers. Like the price
okay.
will be very discounted at the time at the 4,000 level. The price will be too much discounted.
But looking at the
We'll see.
price right now, I am hoping again some rejection at 40331. But like looking at the
Four
size of
zero.
31, 3135, that area,
Okay. Let me see, bro.
and 4042, these two areas I am currently interested. But again, let's see.
Rishi be like, what these people are talking about.
Rishi trades a smaller time frame, right? Rishi,
Yeah.
very smaller time frame. But it's good. But right now his time frame won't be respected. As soon as he takes an entry, the candle will either move TP fast or SL fast. Right now,
That's how 15 seconds works.
yeah.
Huh? You trade 50 seconds.
Yes, he looks at the very lowest time frame.
Sometimes very rare.
Capping, bro.
Yeah,
50
It's
seconds?
risky.
My
I won't
goodness.
suggest anyone to trade 15 seconds and all, but sometimes, like if you want to trail your stop loss, 15 seconds will help you.
Yeah, agree with that. If it's working for you, it's great to keep doing that. And my soul was saying, don't you ever think to try it. That 50-second thing. But yeah, you definitely got a smaller stop loss if you're trading
No,
50
don't do
seconds.
that. Like I'll never suggest anyone to trade 15 seconds. It's very risky.
Yeah, bro. I know how it will be
oh, there
tough.
is a
Like
beautiful,
even
beautiful.
1 minute looks so tough. Yeah, go ahead.
Wow, that was a beautiful sign. GBP JPY. I missed it.
Which one?
GBP JPY. We
Uh, good.
it actually
Exactly.
like reached TP
Yeah,
also.
I'll expect a very good retracement.
1 hour there was an entry at 204 for me. I trade GBP JPY like these days very rarely.
No,
Yeah.
I personally like JPJ.
Hmm.
It helped me to pass a account in 1 day.
Like how Rishi, can you tell me? I don't see any other pair. Like I only see gold. Can you tell me about GJ? I see a lot of people trade only gold and GJ. They don't
Yeah,
very
because
little,
GJ,
but I see
see,
that.
the whole thing is GJ also gives similar. See, look at 1 hour today, three 1 hour
Very,
candles. If
it
you
will
have
give
taken,
you very good too.
yeah, for an example, if you're taking a sell like up, you're already at 1:5 right now, easily.
Mm.
Correct. If you're taking, and it was a clear, like a very short SL
Yeah,
position also.
very good short entry here.
Yes, I would take it at 204 when it hit the top area, and my SL would be just above that wick. As simple as that.
Mm.
And my TP is already done. Like if this breaks, then we'll see another waterfall downwards because there is nothing to hold. 201 is inevitable. If it breaks now,
1 minute ago, someone was saying we have a church in gold, and the next candle is just sweeping the previous lows again, bro. No church, and like your support and like resistance will work if the market is aggressive like that. So that's why I said now I'm not looking for buyers. I was looking for buyers, but as of now, if I do something, I lose no matter
The
I
thing
sell or
is like
buy.
don't fall for the procedure. That is the biggest mistake in trading. For example, if they are considering, for example, let's say if this is a sell liquidity, and if the markets take these lows, and if there is a nearby swing, if the market sweep these highs, they'll consider this as a change of character or market shift. But this won't work exactly like this. It depends on the bias. For example, if the market bias is bearish, then it won't be a structure shift. It will turn into a buy sell equity, and the market will start moving on the downside.
Mm.
So bias is the number one priority. If you're about to get into a trade, always know where the market is ahead. If the bias is bullish, go plan buy entries. If the bias is bearish, plan sell entries. Don't fall for these technical terms, market shift or fair value gap or order blocks or breaker blocks or mitigation blocks or any other PDRs. Always stick with the bias. If the bias is bullish, you can use any concepts to enter, whether it's ICT or retail concepts, or even you can use indicators to enter to the trade. So bias is the number one priority. Then you can plan your entry model according to your concepts. We can use any concepts to enter.
And Anand, your the price is near at your level 4042
yeah, yeah,
actually,
there's some
and
rejection happening.
it give a good rejection, but still
Yeah.
I'll be
No,
not
no,
interested to.
I'm not interested to take a trade right now. But
You
can you
should be,
see that
bro.
level how it respected a little bit at least?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, for
Same
scalpers, it's good.
here.
It already gave like 190 pips. They would have just as soon as hit, they take profits. Tuck, tuck, tuck.
But
For
bro,
scalpers,
this is so tough to execute that 90 pips. Hope you understand.
you have no idea. I've seen people who's execute taking 20, 30 pips, 2 pips, 2 pips with charges and stuff. I mean, they had mastered their edge. So,
Hmm.
but that reacted very well. See, 45, 46 reacted 90 pips. But it's going down only.
Yeah, it's actually, I think it's about to fill the daily FEG. Let's wait.
So we forgot questions.
Yeah, once.
4037 possible. Darwin, yes, looks like how market is currently pushing. I think it's possible. And then we don't have any good question. USD is going up. Thank you.
Nice, Rishi. Oh, nice, Anand.
Hmm.
4060. We are.
Yeah, that was a strong level. If you guys look at, like previous, you can see, wow. But I'm not taking buy. But if I had taken buy, my TP is done. If I had taken buy. So the whole idea is if I risk 1% there and took out an SL, I would risk 1% again here, and I would have recovered 1:2 plus in profit if I have taken. But that's not the whole point. I'm just telling how I would have approached.
But these type of setup like drain your mind a lot. Like if you see
Ah,
the volatility, bro, that's a
that's
good
why I take
price.
only
But
one trade a day. Done.
well, this type of setup required a fast execution. Like you cannot think whether you should go for like holding or that or should cut the trade. So you have to do things fast. Like if you're
Now it
executing
will
this type
break.
of setup.
Now it will break
Look at the
down.
1 minute again. Yeah.
Yeah, it will come down.
Yeah, you can find me in any platform, Arjun. YouTube, Insta, Twitter. Just search chat, you'll find me.
Ah, his username is just below his name.
Yeah.
What is your view? Taufik, you have a
Mm,
question. What is your
yeah.
view
Uh,
on Taufik? Nasdaq and gold both are dumping. Usually, if gold dumps, Nasdaq pumps up from yesterday. Both are dumping.
No,
bro, I don't see
no,
Nasdaq personally. Yeah, Rishi, you go.
actually, like gold is not directly proportional to or inversely proportional to Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100, like it's morely the tech stocks are having more weightage in Nasdaq 100. So we can't exactly connect gold and Nasdaq 100. Yeah. You can answer Taufik, sorry. Yeah, you can
You're
answer
muted.
Taufik.
Taufik, you're muted.
Yeah. Actually, I don't see Nasdaq, so I cannot say anything about this. And usually, I don't correlate gold with anything because gold always has its own plan. So yeah, I just see the price action as I told you about recent demand and recent supply, 1 minute time frame, 5 minute candles, uh, opening high, like closure of highs and lows. That's what I see personally, and I don't want to make things complicate because I forget a lot of things. So that's why I try to keep everything simple as it's look like. Okay, so yeah, I don't correlate with Nasdaq.
Nvidia is having like major weightage in Nasdaq 100. So if there is results or if there is any news in Nvidia, it will create a huge impact in Nasdaq. Even like Nvidia, Apple, Meta. So these are having more weightages in Nasdaq.
Yep. Beautiful, beautiful. Market open in 20 minutes. Let's see. I think market open will just push it down more. But it's at a very key level for me.
You can find the lot size details in that in FundingPips website. See, you can find those in FAQ.
Yeah, and leverage according to the account sizes.
Yeah.
Can you open DXY? I actually want to see DXY.
Yeah, sure. But I don't use DXY. But
Someone is saying it's pure
which
manipulation. CDXY, what the fuck, gold and DXY moves.
which one you
Bro,
want me
there is
to?
nothing written on anywhere that gold and DXY has a inverse correlation. Sometimes you will see DXY is going up, and you will see at the same time gold is also going up. So there is nothing like that. Yeah, Rishi, go ahead. You were saying something.
No, like, I was asking like what the brokerage you will be using for DXY. That's why I asked.
Rishi, can you open the BTC chart? I'm seeing the bleed bath, bro.
Do you trade crypto? Which one? Which
No,
brokerage?
no. Open anyone like Betsam on Coinbase. Look at the candles, bro. How beautiful it is looking if you are into shorts, and at the same time, it will be terrible if you are into buyers.
Buys.
In no, no. I'm saying it is looking so beautiful if you are into sales, and at the same time, it is looking so terrible if you are into buyers position. Look
No,
at this
most people
man.
like, for long term investors, these are like again they'll keep on buying whenever there is a pullback.
And it will
Okay.
and the BTC will keep going down.
Oh, it went till
See,
126.
BTC is a very, very volatile. Whatever it goes down, it will recover in a single
I
day
think it
also.
was
But
like
yes,
around 19. 19,000, right? Yeah, I
My
remember.
level is, guys. My level is 85,000.
85,000.
Guys,
Even I am looking at 85,000.
I'll buy definitely this time aggressively if I see the price and my setup on that level. Well, let's see how this will goes.
Do you like do some anyone like do you remember these crash? This crash.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're
Yep.
talking
I
about
was.
BTC?
Yeah, PTC like it crashed like in 2023, right? So
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
friend was actually holding some bitcoins. Like he's holding some altcoins. He was actually in very profit during the bullish move, like around like 200x something. Uh, but once he saw this fall, he just closed. He just booked his trade. And when but later he look at this.
When the bottom was about to create on BTC, that was I guess 20,000 or 22,000. At that time, I was exiting. That was my first year in trading. So I lost. I booked the loss at that time, and after that I come into forex and you can say prop firms. Mm, what is gold doing?
Platforms are the best way to start.
Like I'm sometimes I think the upcoming generation is lucky to have prop firms.
Yeah.
Like they are saving a lot of money. To be very honest,
When I started,
uh,
I don't even know about platforms and all.
and I was no. After every loss, I was looking to take loans from banks or here and there. And now people has a lot of opportunity to just buy a $30 account or you can say $60 account,
Yeah.
and they can scale up if they have the skill
Yeah,
set.
even they can get free accounts too, like from giveaways or
Yeah.
Yeah.
by
Competition.
partnering with charities too.
Competitions.
Yeah.
Mm.
Like, and also,
And
I feel they see, other than the pricing and everything, it creates a very good discipline. Okay, where people try to do the paper trading or demo, they don't have that discipline. Like they like when they win, they feel very happy and majestic. When they lose, they feel nothing. Whereas here, you feel both the both emotions are intact. So that's
Mm.
something which I really like when
You
it comes
have to
to
be very disciplined when it comes to platforms.
yeah.
And one more worst part is like, okay, for following all the rules, and when you request your payout, if it gets rejected, that's it.
See,
that's why I'm stick to funding pips, guys. That's why I'm the one of the victim of this case.
No, like
And
that one is
FundingPips
bank.
has a very good zero denial policy on
Yeah,
like payout stage.
people often ask me why you only talk about funding pips. This is the reason, guys. This is the only reason that I want to only talk about funding pips, no other forms at all.
Okay.
And that's not because I'm sitting here. That's something actually. If you are thinking I'm sitting here, that's why I'm talking about funding tips. Look at my videos of 1 year where I was almost nothing. At the time, I was saying the same thing. Either funding tips or no one.
Yeah, first we have to master. First, you have to get max allocation with the top ones. Then we can try
That's
others. But I'll
that's a
always
very,
suggest like damned two times. Then
that's
after
a
that,
very,
I'll say only one for only if
that's a
I'm.
very good point.
Yeah.
We have an
Like,
interesting question, guys. If you are saying something, you can continue. Continue. Then I'll read that comment.
no, no,
Yeah,
please go
you
ahead.
can say.
Someone is saying, what do you think buying 2 into 50K account or a single 100K account?
Oh,
Shoot your suggestions, guys.
Oh, this is a nice question. I just answered someone this. Okay, so if it's 100K, so for example, you make a decent sum, and the whole point is some people won't be able to sit idle. I've seen this. Okay, when they hit a profit, their mind is like, I want to trade more. I want to trade more. So I usually tell them, when you have this feeling, lock your profit, go buy another account. Okay, like a challenge account, and start trading in that. But it's still not a very good habit. Who has the urge to trade every single candle or every single account, even their profit or loss? Some people, even if their setup didn't come, they force their trades just because they have some extra money in their buffer. So whereas now, when it comes, you have 250Ks, you can cycle your accounts. Like between you trade one account, you reach the target, and you can start on another account. Same when it goes in live, you can do the same. Once one account is 5-6% up, lock that profit, trade the other 50K, and this way you don't feel like you're not trading in every day or missing out the opportunities. So the whole point of trading is to make profit, and for me, like that is the whole thing. Make a good profit, try to lock it, withdraw it. And regarding if you have a good psychology or good, control over your trades, I would recommend go for 100. When you make a good profit, lock it and you can withdraw. Because if you're risking 1% on 100k, it's $1,000, and you can make 1:3 easy $3,000. Whereas 50k it's just half. So it's totally up to you. Both will work. It's just up to you how you want to trade. It's just my view. And what do you say, Rishi, when you come to this question?
I'll agree with you, but if you're going with futures, funding takes and all, always go with 50k.
No,
Now,
let's talk about funding pip. Like forget futures. We are not talking about futures.
Yeah.
Let's talk about funding pip account.
funding webs, like I'll suggest everyone to go small. I'll never
Same.
suggest
Even
anyone to go.
if I
Okay.
say on this, I'll say if you have a money to buy 250k account, first buy a 50k account. If you pass it, you pass it. If you blow it, then you have to go for 2 into 25k account. That's how I trade actually. And once you have a backup, once you have a secured payout, then you can go for the aggressive or bigger size account. So yeah, that's how I think. And imagine if you buy a 100k account and if you lost that and if you don't have backup other than this, then it may be you will be into trouble and few things will not going to be good for you.
And one more pro tip: whenever there is a sale, like for example, funding pip rarely offers 20% sale.
Hmm.
When that comes, I personally tell my community buy accounts. I honestly max allocate myself during that time, but I tell
Mhm.
my community like if they are trading 50k, I ask them to buy 3 or 4 accounts. Keep it buffer. Don't trade everything at the same time. So this is also a tip which I can say you guys. When there is an offer, if you have the money, just buy accounts and have it ready for your months.
Rishi and Anand, there was a guy was saying if like I am seeing a 1 minute charge again on gold and I'm planning to buy and look at the 1 minute candle again.
Don't do.
Uh,
There is nothing charged in 1 minute, bro. 1 minute is like
we
100
have
pips.
IC. Mhm.
Okay, it's gonna finally break. Oh, it broke my level. Come on, but it's okay. It respected my level. I'm happy for it. Now
Yeah.
30. Let's go at 30.
Yeah. If he wants to go for the reversal, like if he wants to go for a reversal trade on the opposite, like wait for higher time frame confirmation. That is the
Okay.
best rate you can go for a reversal trade.
Can we trade with two lot of gold in 50k CFD account, which is having an option of daily payout? Two lot is too big for 50k. The leverage and the margin used will be too high. Please like visit the margin calculator or make sure
No,
your
like it's
margin is not margin level is not too much of exposed.
yeah, it's either
The
a target or blow your account.
yeah. Okay, there is a question for me. True, earlier my phase two about to pass, only $200 left due to overtrading. It has breached same way. I have blown 3 accounts. Now I am controlling my emotion and psychology. See, that's completely nice, Vamshi. And one thing, guys, have you guys noticed making $1,000 is easy? Making the last 20 or $30 is very hard. Have you guys noticed it or experienced that?
Yeah,
No,
like even I
the
Yes.
started.
anxiety, and the feeling at the last finish line will be like too high. So
Yeah,
pro tip again, when you keep your TP, keep 20 $30 higher.
Mhm.
So that's what I do.
yeah.
Like there is a one more interesting question. How do you manage emotions, especially when we were in a winning streaks? Who wants to answer? I would like to
So
ask Rishi or Anand, anyone.
no, I will answer. So when I do winning streak, right, I tend to stay away from that account. I'm not joking. So like if I have 3 4 streak winning, okay, I feel very overconfident. Then I stop trading in that account. Okay, that's because I want to book the payout.
Okay.
Once I book the payout, then I get into trading again. So that's what I do, and it has worked flawlessly.
Yeah, always like if you're in winning streak, if you locked a payout, always wait for the payout to hit your bank account. Then you can just enjoy after that.
Mm.
I would trade as soon as the money is deducted from my master account. I would trade.
And like, how do you guys approach evaluations? Like, do you guys go aggressive or just take 1% risk even on the evaluations?
No, I'll go higher risk in evaluations.
Same 1.2% I used to go. Now I don't know, same 2% only. I stick
No,
with
I
that.
won't suggest anyone to do this because like I'm having a cash flow. So even if I lose this account, I can able to afford a new account. So
Good,
in that case,
good.
I can go with it. If someone is like desperate, or if someone can able to afford only one account, then risking low is preferable.
Perfect.
So today is Friday. What's the plan for week? What do you guys do in like weekends? I want to know that actually. What do traders do on the weekend?
Me, I'm having like many works.
And that Rishi is so shy.
Rishi is
Rishi is
always
so
there.
pokey. Rishi is a
Okay.
pokey guy. And
So for me,
I say, yeah, I'll tell you,
Sundays.
bro. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So
go
go
ahead.
on.
No, no, you were asking something,
No,
bro.
I was telling my Sundays are fixed. My Sundays mostly I just take my dog to a park, just play. Evening we both will be tired. Like come back chill. Sundays are
Yeah,
fixed for that.
right. It is so good. Like busu busu.
Yeah, he's here only. He's just lying around here. And Sunday evening, I might look at the chart. No, just mark the levels. I don't know predict or anything. I just mark the levels. If trade comes, if market comes to the level, I will look at the reaction and look for trades. Saturday mostly sleeping.
For me, like it's no holidays and all. Like I'll take break whenever I want to. Other than that, I'll work fully.
So Taufik is the most happening guy here. So what do you do, Taufik?
Bro, I'm into a lot of things. Like I'm into sports, esports, and I also
Oh,
have other
I've seen.
business.
I have seen your cricket videos.
Yeah, yeah, I'm into cricket and I'm into esport as well. But I my focus is more on like cricket and I do workout
Esports,
as
like
well. Okay.
which clan you are in?
BGMI. I
Yeah,
played
which
T2.
clan?
I
Tier two.
played T2. Sorry?
Okay. Tier two, right?
Yeah.
Tier two.
Yeah. And after that I stopped and I just play normally, casually. Matlab, simple. But I'm into cricket. I like it a
Which
lot. Like when
which
I'm
clan you
free.
are in? Esports.
No. Currently, it's not planned. I'm talking about I played like 3 years ago in T2, and after that I have shifted into trading. So I do this, but it's still uh, that that
No,
how I can
like you
say.
are same story. Like I'm also into esports.
And at that time, like you know it, bro. And I was using this OnePlus device, and currently BGMI will not support this device. But I have today this device, but I don't have time to play to give to esports. So that's the thing, and yeah.
I was also having one plus five. Sorry, one plus
C-
six. For
Okay.
the esports. Then once there was official tournament, then I bought iPhone XR for esports.
Are you still into esports?
No, my whole team. I mean, my editor is a player in Soul Mortal Clan.
Soul?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm. Yeah, you can just
What is
search
his name? Can you tell
OP.
me his name?
Yuva OP. He's actually here.
Yuva.
Yuva OP. Yeah.
Yeah, I think he was in 8-bit. 8-bit as
Yeah.
well.
No, not 8-bit. He was actually a player in Soul.
I have no
He
idea
mentioned.
what you guys are talking about.
Anand be like, this guys are making me bored.
No,
Let's
no,
talk
not
about
both.
something different.
Taufik has a question. There is a question for you. Taufik, I am down 3.5% in my two-step 5K student account. Can I make it to pass my account? Any advice, please, guys? I am in trouble.
I never tried
Um,
to pass an account.
Yeah. So see again, go. Still, you have 3.5 means you still have a very good drawdown back.
yeah,
So
your
yeah,
target should reach to the break even first of all.
yeah. So risk 1.5 or 1%, 1:3. You're back to break even. Then go from there. So you never should give up. You already the text message already sounds frustrating. That means you are going to make a bigger lot size mistake. So that's something I don't recommend you to do. So 3.5, I have taken from 1% drawdown to break even and then to profit. I'm not even lying. Last 1%. I will make a video about that like in some days, but I'm just saying I've done that from last 1% back to break even and profit, and I have withdrawn the profit.
But still, this is based on probability. Like, no matter you have 1% left or 5% left,
Yeah.
there's a probability. Like, if you punch the right setup at that time, it can like give you the whole profit. Even it will cover your drawdown as well. So
Okay.
yeah, and that guy is down 3.5% is not much as I see.
Okay. I think New
He
York volume is gonna come in 2 minutes, guys. Let's see. 2 more minutes. So that level is still holding, Taufik, for some reason.
Yes, bro, I am saying. And we have a 5 minute candle, which is
I'm
within.
gonna look at this level. I'll screenshot and keep like, why this level holds so much. But I was really sad when it didn't hold 4100 level like that. 4100. It was a good psychological level. Plus, there were like a couple of liquidity areas, but it just went past through.
Anand, you told me that you spend your Sunday with your dog.
Yeah.
You don't have girlfriend, bro.
He's married, man.
I'm mad.
Are you married?
Yeah.
Are you married? Sorry, Bhabhi.
No, it's fine.
And Rishi, are you married as well?
No, no.
You must have multiple girlfriend, bro. You have a license to have. You have license in your hand, and you have license in your pocket, and as well as in your trading account. You have license to have multiple girlfriends. You never told me, Rajan, you are married.
Why have to say it to you, man?
That's the point as well. Yeah. NYC will open after 30 minutes. Anand, who is saying this?
So this is Ace.
Yeah. So cute. I saw him.
He's just chilling here. Okay, New York is gonna opened. I don't see any volume. Any of you guys use volume charts?
No, I
No,
don't
bro.
use. No, I'll never suggest anyone to go with 15 seconds start, Rahul. Like, please don't ask those things. If I
What?
recommend and if someone get into the trade and if if their account's closed, then I'll be the responsible one. I won't
No,
suggest.
it's like, see, you're not responsible for anything. You're just telling your view. So it's
The
their
15
trade. They
second
should
start
be.
is like there are many things we need to consider when it comes to 15-second start. Mostly, I won't use that to enter into the chart, but I'll use that to trail my stop loss many times.
Look at that 1 minute.
We are
That's
going
why
to.
I am stay away from
And
charts. But
also,
I'm
Rishi,
continuing.
15 seconds. No, you have a premium, right? 50 seconds will be only available on a premium account.
Yeah, premium account. Yeah,
Can
I
you
So
have
show 50-second charts,
private.
Rishi?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're a very good scalper like HFT, then you can go with 15-second start and you have to exit very fast. Enter, exit, that's it. In very like within minutes.
Is NYC open or it will open after 30 minutes? Can you guys see?
no, it opened. I think it opened, right?
No, no,
And
like
it
nine.
opens.
No,
Oh,
like 9:30.
Anand, you have a question from Jakey. Read.
see, not just
I'm not
like
going to read, bro.
how does relationships and give FX trading? To be honest, it's really important. People think it's not important. It's very important. Like
It's important
partner
actually.
you
Choosing
choose,
a partner is very important.
the partner you choose, or the friend circle you choose, or the lifestyle you choose. You have to be like when you're trading, your mind has to be at the perfect level. So if I have some issues, I don't prefer trading that particular day. So not just relationship, anything. Like if you're going through something sad or you had some issues at work or anything, I don't recommend you to trade that particular day. Yes, it's a very important factor. So another waterfall, I think it will drop again.
Yeah, it is going to fall.
The new volume is also indicating sell strong.
Uh,
Uh, yeah, that's a
yeah.
good question. Yes. So this I did GT actually. I usually trade only 100K. I've been trading only 100K from the time I started. The first account was 10K. After that, I upgraded to 100K. I never gotten back. Okay. Then I did 25K once, like for 3 months. So it was fun. Like it was not fun. It was little easy, but I didn't have that fear to be honest. I was able to trade well.
Yeah, like
But
we won't be having here, right? See, actually, I won a 25 account from FundingPips, a challenge.
okay,
So what I did is like I just took a very high lot trade, passed in like 2 days. Then I made $1,500 and put payout. So you won't be
Hmm.
having here if you're trading smaller accounts.
I don't think 5K, 10K I would trade. It will be like too easy for me, or I don't know. I can
No,
try actually. It might be fun.
5K, like I'll put a trade and then I'll forget the trade.
Yeah, same. I'll also forget like that. So that's what something. It's very crucial to select the account size based on your bankroll and your mind. That's very important. But GTS, thanks for the suggestion. I can try actually putting 10K. What do you guys say? Let's buy a 10K after this.
Let's do a challenge. Let's do a challenge.
Do you
For the
guys want to buy
content
10K
creation.
right now and place a trade right now? That I can do.
For fun you can do. For fun, for the content
Not
creation you
fun.
can
Like
do.
you can take good serious trades, not fun serious trades. But
No,
I
no, no, I'm
don't
saying the way Rishi said, I'll just buy a 5K account and I'll not look at the trade after putting and I just set and forget.
no.
That's why I'm
He
saying.
said he will forget, which is true. He might or not even think about that account later.
Yeah. Hmm.
No, I never been to hot seat. I think I reached 12 payouts, then I busted my account. I think hot seat is 16 payouts, right?
Yeah, people is there.
12 payouts and I busted my account. 12 or 9. Like that. But I have got a lot of refunds back, like like 4 payouts I have done consecutively a lot of times. What cars do you guys have? I have a Creta diesel because I really love that car, and it's little powerful, and my
Hyundai
dog can.
seat like baby. Hyundai steering smooth, very smooth.
You
Yeah,
guys
that
have
is.
car?
I like this meme. Taufik, like you guys get car, you guys have car.
Bro, I'm noob. I'm noob. I
So
don't
I
have
really,
car.
if I'm buying in India, I would personally buy an XUV. Okay, and yeah, I'm looking at an X5. Let's see if that is happening, or a
Yeah, if you're
GLC.
buying X5, just go to Dubai and then buy.
But
Rather than
Dubai,
buying X5 and then driving in these roads.
no, like it's fine. Like Bangalore is little decent. It's fine. And yeah, I in India I would buy an X5 or a Mercedes GLC 43 AMG. I really love that car.
It's a very good copy.
Yeah. And no, I am not interested in Lamborghini or anything, at least in India. And first of all, I can't afford also right now.
I think I'm expecting a reversal, but let's see.
No reversal now, man. I
No, no,
would personally wait for 11 o'clock around our time, then I'll look for something. Which wallet you guys use for payouts? I usually use Rice. I don't take it in crypto. I use Rice.
Rise is the best way.
Okay. Taufik is.
Luckily,
Oh
like
no, wait. Taufik is thinking. You guys take payouts?
No. You guys take payouts? I took payouts in Trust Wallet and
Yeah.
I just convert cash from my nearby place. That's I think.
don't tell these in live.
Oh my god. Funding Pips, have some mercy on me. Guys, have some mercy on me. Please cut or trim this part. As I'll be in jail.
No
And
man,
the
like
and the
you
funding
just have
pips will be responsible for that.
to pay tax.
You bro, I'm paying from last 3 years, but I
Same,
don't
I know.
understand the USDT things. Tell you about this Rajan in DM.
Yeah, we'll discuss. Rishi, I can see some good rejections.
Yeah, like actually expecting a reversal, but let's wait for some confirmation higher time frames,
Yeah.
then we can.
If it see, have you guys seen that? Do you guys, any of you guys follow chat patterns here?
Short patterns like shape, right?
No.
Double top, double bottom.
Top, double bottom, then this
Yeah,
inverted U.
I love it, but still, like I'll use ICT coins if it.
I know a guy who trades only double bottom, double top, and he is
No, it is see.
crazy profitable.
Yeah, let's take for example breakup blocks. So breakup blocks is if you take a bearish breakup block, it is the low between two high rise, right? It is
Mm-hmm.
similar to double top.
Okay.
And if you take market structure, ICT market structure, so if you just take a intermediate term high, so intermediate term high is the high between two short term highs.
Hmm.
So this is actually head and shoulder.
Head and shoulder, yes.
Yeah, if you take ICT concepts, like it is intermediate term highs and these are short term highs. If
But Rishi, like I have nothing against you, but do you think this is more easier than your concepts?
it is, this is more easier,
Yes.
but the thing is like we have to align with the buyer. Like what I'm saying is like if you really want to create an entry model, uh like don't, I mean, don't think that okay, ICT only will make me profitable. That is not the right way. The thing
Yes.
is, first you have to know the bias. This is the most important part. Once you know the bias, you can use any concepts. You can use ICT, you can use SMC, you can use retail concepts, and you can use indicators. You can use any concepts to get into the trade. If you
Got
know
it.
the bias, know the DOL, like where the market is going to head, draw on liquidity. You can use any concepts to get into the draw on liquidity. This is the best way you can create an entry model. If you are comfortable with patterns like double top or double bottom or head and shoulders or rising wedge, falling wedge or symmetrical triangle, flag and pole, inverted flag and pole, you can just stick with it, but you have to align with the bias. If this
Great.
satisfies, any concepts will work.
Okay, perfect. I can answer this question. Like, how do you guys withdraw money, at least in India? So there are multiple options from FundingPips. Okay, one is direct to bank. Okay, one is Rise. I personally love
No, that's
Rise.
actually not available in India, right? Direct bank transfer.
It's there. I can see the option. I have not tried it,
No,
but
like
it's
you can't able to withdraw direct bank transfer when it comes to India. No, you can't.
I
Because
haven't tried it,
only,
but I have seen the option.
yeah, there is an option, but if you're outside
Okay.
India, you can able to withdraw. But if
Okay.
you're in India, you can't withdraw using bank transfer.
Rise is the best option.
Rise crypto
And
is the only option.
yeah, if crypto, get it done to the Indian exchange, get it converted, and you can withdraw. That is a best way to
I
go.
always go with Rise if someone wants to
Yeah.
withdraw Rise, the best way, because like my one of my payout, it's actually like 7 lakh something, and I tried using crypto. Luckily, out of those 7 lakhs, 1,000 rupees is an lien amount,
1,000
and
is a
lien amount,
okay.
LIEN, which means like illegal money. So
Oh,
someone
Hmm.
transferred 1,000 rupees from in an illegal way.
got it,
So
got it.
my bank froze that money. So I have to go to the bank and then I have to send the request letter or something.
Okay. Just
So
use Rise,
crypto,
guys. It's
it's
at
very
least for us.
dangerous. You have to choose the buyer very carefully. Rise is the best option.
Yeah, go with Rise. Even I use Rise. Oh,
Yeah.
there is a question. Anand, did you shift it to Dubai since I have seen one of your post or Funding Pips post? I can't remember. No, I was just visiting Dubai for Dubai Expo. I mean, Forex Expo, not Dubai Expo. So, like, I was there and I visited Funding Pip office and also had a interview live there. So, no, I have not shifted to Dubai yet. I live in India itself. Perfect. So, this is done. Okay, I'm liking the rejections. Let's see
Who's
something.
seeing the reversal on 1 minute time frame?
Yeah, same. I liking the rejections, and it's still in my area of interest.
Hmm.
And I love this rejection 15-minute candle. Rishi Anand, this stream is awesome and helpful, but I bet it would be even more fun if you guys chatted in Tamil. So currently we can't chat Tamil here, but me and Rishi been talking that we will have a Tamil chat somewhere like stream sometime. So yeah, but right
So
now
only
we can speak in
but
English.
இங்க பேச முடியாது அதான்.
Guys, take care of me as well.
Okay, how long does it take money to be withdrawn from Rise into your bank, and what's the fees? Funding groups. So fees is fixed, I think. I think it's $8 or $10,
Yeah,
and
$8.
it's almost instant, guys. The
Instant, yeah,
withdrawal is
instant.
almost instant. So
The
I'm
only
seeing
thing
some
is like
question.
you'll get a lower conversion rate in Rise compared to crypto, but Rise is the safest way.
The noise
And,
is
bro, I think it's your mic.
mine.
And Anand.
It's like whole.
Yeah, order flow is actually best, Jackie, but I don't have very good knowledge in order flow, but it is actually a very good tool to analyze the chart. Many people, they won't even look at candlesticks. They'll use order flow to get into the trade and stop loss everything. Still, I don't have much knowledge in it. If I know it, I'll explain.
So there is some festival going around. I think the speakers are on. Just give me a minute. I'll just close the door.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll try to do GT. From Rice, just go the bank account. Withdraw to bank account. I will get an invoice from Rice too. So if there is an issue, you can just show the bill, and it's instant. You will get your funds within minutes in your bank account.
And the issue with order flows, I have noticed. So every chart broker has a different order flow levels.
When it comes to forex, I won't suggest order flow because it's CFD, right? Either they can go with futures. If you want to go, you can trade euro futures. So that I think they may use order flow.
Okay. So Rahul Paul, yes, I think you can do that. Like, but I think a chartered accountant is a better person to answer that. So consult a chartered accountant, sit with him, figure out how you can align that as a business income.
I think we are not going to get the bias trade. You guys are waiting for any trade, or should we wind up?
Yeah, yeah, that's just
Anand,
because.
what do you say?
Uh,
I don't think so. We'll get bias. I don't think
yeah,
so.
yeah, we can finish the stream then.
Yeah, I think
And
we can.
Someone is saying you all try trading broker. I'll deposit 2K on trading in upcoming week. So yeah, I'll trade with them.
oh yeah,
Like
How about
what?
you guys?
You're using Taufik. Like I try to deposit in the forex broker, trading broker, but my card keep on rejecting. I don't know what.
We'll
check
fix
your.
it and
I tried
No,
crypto, it
actually,
worked.
I tried. Yeah, I tried any like many cards. It's not working for me. Foreign resolution use different from bank transfer. I don't know who's the mic.
it's too loud.
So when you take loans from their own bank account. Eh?
Can you check your mic, guys?
Is it
It's
mine?
too loud.
No, I don't know.
Maybe.
Like all right. Can we end the stream?
Yeah, guys. According to
Yes,
me,
let's
we are
go.
not going to get bias. It was lovely session with you guys.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you all soon.